In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share checklists using Google Keep. This tool is incredibly useful for managing tasks and collaborating with others, whether you're planning a project at work or organizing a personal to-do list. Let's dive in and guide you through the simple and efficient process of setting up your checklist. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Google Keep. Google Keep is a part of Google's suite of applications, designed to keep your notes, ideas, and tasks organized and readily accessible across devices. If you're not already signed in, you may need to enter your Google account credentials to proceed. Once you're on the Google Keep homepage, you'll see your existing notes if you have any, along with options to create new ones. Now, to start a new checklist, locate the Take a Note option on your screen. This button is usually easy to spot and serves as the gateway to your note creation. Click on it to open up a new note box where you can begin crafting your checklist. The beauty of Google Keep is its simplicity and user-friendly interface, making it straightforward even for first-time users. Once you're in the note box, if you prefer to create a checklist rather than a plain note, there's a simple way to convert this space. Click on the three dots icon, which reveals additional options for your note. From here, select Show Checkboxes. This action will transform your note into a checklist format, allowing you to enter each task as an item on the list. It's an excellent way to keep your tasks organized and visually distinct. As you start typing your tasks, each one will appear as a checkbox item. It's a satisfying feature because as you complete each task, you can check it off, giving you a clear view of your progress. This format is particularly helpful for breaking down complex projects into smaller, manageable tasks. One of the powerful features of Google Keep is its collaboration capabilities. To share your checklist with others, simply click on the Collaborator option found in the same menu where you showed checkboxes. Enter the email addresses of the individuals you want to collaborate with, ensuring that they too can view and edit the tasks. This collaboration feature is fantastic for team projects, allowing multiple people to contribute to and update the list as needed. And just like that, you've successfully created and shared a checklist using Google Keep. You're now ready to stay organized and collaborate effectively with colleagues, friends, or family. Whether you're organizing a group project or just your daily errands, Google Keep simplifies the process, making task management more accessible and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.